Hi, my name is Peter Granberg, the Pro Audio and Software Product Manager here at Panasonic Connect. In today's training video, I'm going to go over the audio tab and to show everybody what we can do with our ceiling array microphone in terms of our DSP. So let's begin. This video picks off from our last video where I concluded on how to set up different areas, exclusion areas, static areas, dynamic areas, and so forth. But what I didn't show, which I'll be showing in this video, is how to actually adjust those audio settings for each of those areas. So this is the room design section here. Notice that we have tabs up at the top. And here, if I go over to the audio tab, you'll notice that there's a lot of different settings that we can configure here. Notice that there's digital noise reduction, there's ducker, there's auto acoustic cancellation, auto gain control, also digital noise reduction on the mix output here. Each one of these static areas, you can kind of tell by the image which one covers which area. So notice that this area is on the top left. If I go back here, that's regarding number 1. Or if you want, you can look at the numbers. This is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. And if we go back to the audio tab here, that's kind of where this is labeled static 2, static 3, static 4. Now, what I mean by adjusting all these different audio levels, this kind of gives you the flexibility and ultimate fine-tuning if you really wanted to dig in deep to make sure that you have superb, crystal clear audio. So not only can you adjust the input gain as far as these go, as on each of these individual channels, as well as the mix, but you can actually go into the EQ and you can turn this on and off. You can actually go into the audio curve here by double clicking. And then from here, you can adjust this to however you want. You can actually, if you fine tune one ceiling microphone and you like the way it sounds, you can actually export that as a file and then import that file to another ceiling microphone so that way you don't have to repeat the process. And this is available for each and every channel, which makes it really, really nice for flexibility. Now, in order to adjust even more settings, if you're not satisfied, there's this additional settings icon here. And here you can adjust the acoustic echo canceller. You can adjust the auto gain control. You can adjust the digital noise reduction as well as the ducker. There are so many different ways to adjust the audio in terms of how our ceiling array microphone can be customized to fit your solution. And then not only do we allow that customize with this ceiling array microphone, but we also can do a couple minor things to our wireless microphone that's paired with the WX-AM800. Now that item is an accessory to our ceiling array microphone that's just connected over a Cat5 cable, and that allows 2 additional extra channels of wireless audio that we can pair with our Panasonic transmitters. Again, the same thing. We have AAC, AGC, both for each channel, as well as the gain for each channel. We can actually move from here. We can actually, change a bunch of different settings. And like I said, you can fine tune this to however you want. You can even fine tune it even deeper as well for our wireless microphones, not just the ceiling array microphone. That essentially sums up this video. Again, my name is Peter Granberg, the Pro Audio and Software Product Manager here at Panasonic Connect, and I'll see you at the next one. Thanks.